Good morning, ma'am, and good morning, everyone. Today, my topic is role of community health nurse. Introduction: Community health nurse wear many hats while conducting day-to-day practice. The focus of nursing includes not only the individual but also the family and the community. Meeting these multiple needs require multiple roles. Definition: The primary role of community nurses is to provide treatment to patients. Additionally, community health nurses offer education to community members about maintaining their health so that they can decrease the occurrence of disease and deaths. Nurses' role in community health settings are direct care provider, educator, counselor, advocate, manager, collaborator, leader, researcher, epidemiologist, planner, and change agent. Roles: Care provider uses the nursing process to provide direct nursing intervention to individuals, family, and population groups. Educator facilitates learning for positive health behavior change. Counselor: The community health nurse help individuals, families, and the community at large to recognize and understand their problems to be solved, find solution within resources, and implement feasible and acceptable solution. Feasible means possible to do easily or conveniently. Advocate: Advocate speaks or acts on behalf of clients who cannot do so for themselves. Manager role: Community health nurses, like all nurses, engage in the role of managing health services. As a manager, the nurse exercise administrative direction toward the accomplishment of specified goal by assessing client needs, planning and organizing to meet those needs, controlling and evaluating the process to ensure that goals are met. The nurse serves as a manager when observing client care as a case manager, supervising ancillary staff. Ancillary means providing necessary support to the primary activities or operation of an organization or system, etc. Running clinics and conducting community health needs assessment project. Collaborator: Community health nurse seldom practice in isolation. They must work with many people including client, physician, social worker, psychologist, other nurses, epidemiologists, etc. Leadership: Community health nurses are becoming increasingly active in leadership role. The leadership role focuses on affecting change. Thus, the nurse become an agent of change. As leaders, community health nurses seek initiate changes that positively affect people's health. Researcher: In researcher role, community health nurses engage in systematic investigation, collection and analysis of data for solving problems and enhancing community health practice. Epidemiologists: Nurse epidemiologists identify people or population at high risk, monitor the progress of disease, specify area of healthcare needs, determine priorities, size and scope of programs, and evaluate their impact. They generally do not provide direct patient care but serve as a resource and plan educational programs. Planning is the foremost function of community health nurse. Planner role will depend upon her role as a manager. Change agent: The community health nurse such as change agent, that is, she serves as a potentiator or catalyst. It means that she is able to make others more effective by increasing their capabilities. First is cope up with their health problems, and second is provide care to themselves. Advanced practice roles are clinician, educator, administrator, and consultant. Responsibility of community health nurse: providing care to disabled one, maintaining healthy environment, teaching, identify the needs and referring them for service, preventing and reporting neglect and abuse, advocating, collaborating, participate in professional development activities, ensuring quality nursing research, and engaging in nursing research. Now, the responsibility of community health nurse in specialized area are school health nurse, School health nurse keep students healthy and safe. Occupational health nursing. Occupational health nursing is a specialty nurse practice that provides for and delivers health and safety programs, worker population and community group. Community mental health. Community mental health are specialized nurses who provide holistic nursing service for people with mental health issues. Now the geriatric nursing. Geriatric nursing is the specialty of nursing pertaining to older adults and works in collaboration with older adults. Thank you.